In today's video, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called PIZZASUCKER. PIZZASUCKER is a ransomware that specifically damages Windows computers and Windows files. Mostly it targets pictures, music, Microsoft documents, and other data. So you can now see clearly that before the ransomware attack we are able to open the files without troubles. Pictures and other documents can be opened easily. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this PIZZASUCKER ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data because the data got damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. And so this is what happens. You cannot open your files. The ransomware also changes the desktop background, and when you try to open this specific file you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this extension called ICQ PIZZASUCKER. So this is the extension added to the files. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay the ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored, so don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So this is the way the program looks like. It is initially in the trial mode. The trial mode is provided only with the quick scan option. So then the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware, which allows you to add one or even several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So wait until the scanning is over. You will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on your Windows computers. Even though some threats can always be removed manually, I strongly recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected from any other possible malware or ransomware attacks.